Um, our government leadership here is Turkey, UAE, Tunisia, Saudi, and Malaysia. Ito po yung sinasabi ng ating consumer groups or the consumer. When they travel, I choose hotels based on price, location, and quality, and I find food and restaurants with the halal logos. The government should also launch an official website or post on social media on halal products and services. Here, top 5 Muslim-friendly travel consumer market. Saudi, UAE, Qatar, and Kuwait and Russia. Top 5 Muslim travel destination. Ito yung mga nagta-travel. Okay, ito naman yung pinupuntahan nila na top 5 destination. Turkey, UAE, Saudi, Egypt, and Tunisia. But pasok sa top 10 ang Singapore and Thailand, which is near to the Philippines, no? Next slide. Sa modest fashion po, okay, look at dito na lang tayo mag-pay attention sa top 5 halal fashion consumer markets and suppliers. So you have yung mga nagko-consume po ng halal fashion natin. You have Iran, Turkey, Saudi, Pakistan, and Egypt. And ang nagsusupply na country would be Turkey, India, Italy, and Vietnam. Again,